Hey guys, today I have a few questions for the people out there. I need help. I have the Galaxy Note 10.1 tablet. Um, I don't know, I'm confused. It stays stuck right there. That's where it stays stuck. It doesn't move from there. And I try doing the hard resets. Try everything. Well, let me show you what I get. Okay, the hard reset is said to hold your power button and you're down. This is up, this is down. And when I hold those two, it should enter a place where I can reset it. And I put it, it restarted, but all it do is restarting, looping, and keep on restarting, and never jump into any menu to let me factory reset it. Okay, if you know why, comment below. Now, there's something that's called OBIN. And basically, the way you get into that settings is you hold your power button with your menu, and it goes into this. Now, say press up to continue, or volume down to cancel restarts. So when I hit up, it goes into this, and it stays. It does not move. It just stays right there. I had it for maybe 5-6 hours, and it stood right here. So then, obvious, to get out of this, I will hold home, the power button, the up or the down, and it will reset. It will show the Samsung Galaxy Note. And it goes into that. Say Samsung, and it won't move no more. I can leave it on until the battery dies, and it still don't do anything. So if there's someone out there that can let me know what to do, I try pretty much everything online. Well, hope somebody can help me. Thanks.